Hello, my name is Wyatt Harrell. I am a tech consultant with Intellias, an Infor Alliance partner consulting firm, and today we are going to be talking about an application that you are most likely paying for but not using, Application Studio. Now, Application Studio is an extremely powerful reporting application that allows for highly customizable reporting and is a massively beneficial tool for areas where basic landmark reporting falls short. Landmark reporting, while very easy to use, struggles to adapt to reports that are highly nuanced or specific. Now, this is where Application Studio steps in. So I'll just pull up my slide where I have a comparison between the two. So as you can see here, Application Studio is highly customizable with the ability to add complex calculations, drill backs to forms or links in the system, and very customizable formatting that unfortunately Landmark reporting does not have. Application Studio can also add interactive dashboards where you can click around to different reports very easily or have a generalized format for each of them where you can pick and choose. And very importantly, Application Studio uses data cubes that you can customize where you can pull in exactly the data that you want. Another advantage of App Studio is we can get that PDF output print just the way we need it. Landmark reporting does not allow for this. So basically, Application Studio is best for complex reports that are not subject to change, whereas landmark reports are static, quick, and easy to use reports where that have to use a delivered database and are best for quick reports that are flexible to changes and loss of desired functionality. We at Intellias are capable of making these customized reports in App Studio, or we can teach you how to do it yourself in a workshop. Please feel free to reach out with any questions. Have a great day.